Inspector? Is my inspector? Is it?
There should be a free one.
Oh, this one. Detective. Ah.
Oh, that's Marine.
It's mine.
Oh, that's what.
You can sit here.
Yeah, that's the free.
Hello. Are we done? You don't know? Oh.
The person who steals something.
Safe.
You are now sitting in what type of structure? Or
Building.
Building. I'm not sure. Yeah, very good.
We're done. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Easy, right? Yeah. Right, so I just looked at briefly the location and the reason for the vote. Yep. And then, of course, that will lead into that section about the thousands, or not have to replace thousands of years of evolution, basically. Yep, easy. So you see how fast I did that? So I wasn't reading left to right. I'm just looking at it. Now, things also that you can pay attention to numbers, right? What do the numbers refer to? Capital letters, like place names, people's names, all of that. That can help find main ideas as well. Yep. Okay, now for the second one. Okay, so obviously we're looking at deep in the vault in the long tunnel. So in that tunnel, there are 3-story vaults. Yep. Now from there, they're obviously looking at the contents, what they do with the seeds once they come inside that vault. So basically, you could say, well, in a real test, what you could do is just put a little note like seeds, enter, vault. Right, so just those key 3 words. That gives me the main idea. That's all I need to do. So skimming should be done pretty. Okay, should be enough time to get a general sense of how the paragraphs are connected, as well as the main ideas. Okay, so back in your little groups, in your pairs, let's get you to talk about what you found as an idea. Same partners. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
On the first paragraph,
Yeah.
what did you find?
Maybe main idea I think is the reason that seedbird is needed.
It's?
Huh?
It's what?
The reason why seedbird is needed.
Oh.
Maybe. I'm not good at finding the main idea. Do you have any ideas?
It's already deep. And the second one is seed enter boat. The third one is the structure of the boat.
Like logically, we'd think, okay, it would start at the entrance and then go all the way back. But this one doesn't. This one goes, forget about that paragraph. This paragraph, it starts at the back, so deep in the hilltop or the mountain. Interesting. Mitsu, what do you think? Your partners about this one?
We talk. That's the main thing is about security.
Yes, and that's the key word, security. A lot of words there relating to security, access, lock. Check. Yes.
Wrong.
No, that's right. Not water. No, there's another word.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So check that.
So how about number 5?
Actually, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
That's good.
This was
kind of longer. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cheap. It's cheap. I bought at Kohl's like 1.9 like that.
one single.
Oh yeah.
One single pack, you mean?
Yeah.
1.9. Why don't you choose?
And how can I do this?
You want it?
Oh yeah. Maybe like twist.
Twisties?
Have you ever tried that?
It's not nice.
It's not nice. Cancel.
Yeah, it's fine.
Cancel.
It's feel salty.
Which one is better?
You hungry? Oh yeah, she
kinda,
hungry.
yeah.
She.
I'm always hungry.
I mean, I said that you can buy this at the some of Chinese store. It's more cheaper.
Oh really?
Did you look around for Chinese store? No.
Oh no. What's the name of the store?
Sunny and Yen's Market.
It's like yen. Isn't it in city?
No.
Not in city.
Yen is Y-U-E.
Why you?
All right, should be enough time. Can anyone tell me the first question? Who is speaking? Now, we don't know the sex of the speaker. Could be male or female. But in this section, because this one is a section 2, it could be someone on the radio. That type of context for that situation. Yeah, like a podcast. Where are they when they're speaking? Could be on the radio as a location. or it could be a presentation. And what are they talking about? They're talking about
Future.
future
Life.
changes or developments for your actual home. Right, so there's still technological sort of connection there. Now from this one, we should be able to know what's different between our homes now and the future. Now with the, today as you can see, it's only multiple choice for these ones.
Now listen and answer questions 11 to 16.
Welcome to the Homes of the Future online website. I will be your virtual guide around the homes you could soon be living in. Let's begin our tour in the bedroom. Firstly, the bed is programmed to gently rock you awake in the mornings. There'll be no more rude awakenings by an alarm clock, and it will also know what time you need to wake up, as it will get that information directly from your personal digital assistant, that is, your PDA, which will be inserted into you. Let's move to the wardrobe. Those are your musical shoes that generate music while you walk. The music will change according to how fast you're walking. Calm music for a relaxing stroll, and faster beats for when you're in a hurry. You'll feel like you're walking on air. What's more, your clothes are also intelligent. They sense how you're feeling and then change colour. The fabric that they're made of also converts your body heat into a low voltage electricity generator for some of the gadgets that are now inside you, like your PDA, for example. Moving on to the bathroom. So, after waking up, you need a shower. There's no need to turn on any taps, as the house will know exactly what temperature you like the water in the mornings, though you'll still have to wash yourself. From the bathroom, we move into the kitchen. Now, we've all had that horrible feeling when you can't find your keys just as you're about to go out. Well, in the home of the future, you wouldn't need to panic. All you need to do is an internet search. All items are now programmed with a tracking device so that they will light up and signal to you where they are. Just in case the object is upstairs, the house will project its position on your fridge. Speaking of your fridge, this is now as intelligent as your clothes. Not only does it keep a record of when you're running low on everyday essentials, like milk, but it emails your local grocery store, which will deliver them for you. It can also help with planning meals if you have friends over for dinner, by moving the chicken from the freezer so that it'll thaw in time.
With your partners, you got exactly the same answers.
B? Okay, that's B, I think B. A, C, B, yeah. B, okay.
Okay, so number 11 is the movement of the bed will wake you up.
Oh.
12 was the music. You can walk to your favorite tunes. 13 was the interpret how you're feeling, and she mentioned the color range. 14, control the shower temperature. You can see how they try to trick you and they say turn on not off. So you can set up for your morning shower. 15 is looking at help find something, and she gave the keys as an example. Comment. And number 4, children must be taught to distinguish between right and wrong. Distinguish meaning separate, contrast. Now, I did highlight number 4. For writing task 1, you wouldn't use that word. Just to let you know. It's not suitable. Number 5 is there is a distinction between being interested in politics and joining a political party. Yeah, that's a good word. As you see with the suffix form distinction, that's a good word because it's suffix. It's more academic in the task 1. Number 6. Yeah, can you tell the difference between a good and bad boss? 7. The management must not discriminate between male and female applicants.
이런 적 있어요? 연습하는 건 있었는데. Good. I'm solo today. Because you people are here. I'm alone. But then, Eloina. Oh yeah. She was late. Oh, she was late? Yes. So after 1 hour, I have a friend. That's happening here. Huh? Really?
That way.
That's way?
Yes.
어.
We need to go out of from the front of the building.
에? 나 지금 하나도 안 챙겨올 걸. 에, 아니. 선생님한테.
Let's go, guys.
Snowboard. This answer, you guess what? What is the questions?
What is
Question? Yeah. Social app is my answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
boyfriend or
It's so difficult.
Okay, good. Workout. Your favorite?
But what?
Your
What number?
favorite?
What numbers?
Huh?
This one?
Yeah.
No,
No?
separated questions.
Separated.
For example, 3 answers work out. 3 question is too difficult to do this activity every morning.
Wow, so difficult.
Yeah, like this.
Some example for the question, and you can just choose it. Or
Oh,
just
all the
guess it.
questions we have complete for all. Yeah. And it's a B.
Yeah.
So A group.
There's A.
Guess
other-
what? My questions.
Yeah, every day.
yeah.
Like that, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What's that?
Boyfriends or friend?
Boyfriends or friends?
Boy things. 친구의 남자친구.
It's like friends.
Boyfriends or my friend?
Friends, boyfriend.
Oh yeah, friends is boyfriend.
Who you don't want to hang out with?
Oh, it's similar. Yeah. Who you don't want to date with?
Who you don't want to speak with?
Oh, similar, very similar.
What's that?
What is it? this subject is so boring.
Yeah, I tried. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No. I was living in an apartment. It's only 2 bedroom and 2 bedroom.
okay.
So I don't care any other kind of people would come in.
But what about the case of Steve?
Team,
Yeah.
it's level 9. Somehow, how they climb up and
Spider-Man.
and if they need to go to the building, they have.